This video introduces a new way to explore the eye and how it works through an application designed for the iPad. Over the last few years, I've been making videos about the eye, how it works, and what can go wrong. In the two-part set, titled EyeWorks, we first covered the focusing parts of the eye, the cornea, iris, and lens. In the second part, we talked about image creation by the retina, optic nerve, and brain. Other videos cover particular conditions, like cataract, macular degeneration, and glaucoma. Carrying on in the same vein, I have taken the material from the videos and reorganized it into a friendly book-like structure with lots of photos and diagrams, and added some new topics, and you can explore all that as you please. I'm calling this project EyeWorks. Here is how the contents are organized. The first sections deal with the structure and function of the eye. Then there are sections about how vision is measured, optics and glasses, the tear system, eye movement, common eye conditions, and some fun special subjects. Following are a few examples. Let's say you are interested in looking at parts of the eye. Select that section. Up comes a diagram of the eye, then select the part of the diagram you are interested in, for instance the cornea, and it takes you to that part of the eye. Here is the cornea, the clear window in the front of the eye. The next few pages will take you through details of its structure and function. Consider this question. The wall of the eye, which is sclera and cornea, is made up of the same tissue as your skin. The sclera is opaque like skin, then how is it that the cornea is so crystal clear? The answer is in the microstructure of the cornea. We also cover other issues of interest, like how a cornea transplant works, and how the refractive surgery called LASIK works. Each section takes a similar in-depth look at each part of the eye. In the focusing section, we explore how the cornea, iris, and lens act together to focus a sharp image on the retina. Registering the image starts with the retina, which is a layer of nerve tissue that lines the inside of the eye and acts like film in a camera. The rods and cones are the cells that sense light and generate nerve impulses that are carried by the optic nerve back to the brain. The details of how the image is assembled are more complicated than you might guess. After looking at the various parts of the eye, we discuss vision and optics. What does 20/20 mean? What about those confusing names, nearsighted and farsighted? And how do glasses correct for them? There is a section on tear function, which is important for clear vision, comfort, and corneal health, and a section on eye movement. Each eye has 6 muscles that have to work in perfect balance to keep an image lined up. The section on common conditions discusses the basics of cataract, glaucoma, macular degeneration, and diabetic retinopathy. Lastly, we included a set of subjects that are fun and interesting. For example, in seeing in the dark, we look at how cones function in bright light, while rods function in low light levels. Because of the way the retina is organized, in dim light, indirect looking is slightly more sensitive. Your blind spot. Each eye has a missing area in vision where the optic nerve enters the eye. This shows you how to find your blind spot, which is always a little surprising when something disappears in that unexpected missing area. So there is lots of interesting stuff going on in the eye. The aim of developing this application is to take advantage of a new way of organizing and presenting information, to provide a friendly exploration of the eye and how it works. I've been practicing ophthalmology for over 25 years and still find the eye is an absolutely fascinating subject. EyeWorks is available in the iTunes Store.